Hare Krishna. Welcome to our channel Droplets of Nectar. Today we will be discussing on the topic how to cope up with exam fear. Have you been suffering from this fear? Have you been suffering from the amnesia? Have you felt ever fear before going to exam? Then today I will be giving the best solution that by which you can cope up with your exam phobia. Before starting, I would like to request please subscribe to the channel to get notified of all the videos. Hare Krishna. Generally, people think, what will other people think of themselves? People think, what will other people think of themselves? They take exam as their final thing. Yes, in our system of education, such is the today's presence of the exam. Such is the today's dependence on the exam. If we don't score, then our ranks will be low and our scores will be low, and then all will be tensed. The future may be not so called bright. Every time we have to perform so much. We have to perform always on the top. And because of the thought of the failure, we perform less in the exam, and before it we become stressed. What is stress? It is a occurrence of abnormal situation, or you can say the unwanted situation is called as stress. This exam fear comes to every person. This is normal one. But for some people it gets very high. Some youths even get high blood pressure from the exam. I will give you 5 tips to get rid of the exam fear. If you follow these 5 tips, no one can ever suffer from this kind of exam fear. First, we should have good sleep. Our sleep before the exam night, or you can say in that whole month, should be well. A 6 to 7 hours sleep for every adult person is taken as to be the highest one. Is okay for every adult person. It should be compulsory. Good food. Second is good food. And third is exercise and walk. That yoga have to be done regularly. And fourth, obviously the fourth is as that food only. Food means drinking food, eating food and drinking water. Everything has to be apt according to the need of the body. Third, I discussed about yoga. Little yoga has to be done regularly. And fourth, we have to be relaxed on the last day. Don't depend on last minute preparation. We have to be relaxed on that day. Have confidence. And obviously fifth one is prepare enough. We'll be discussing more how to remember things. That I will be making a separate video on it. How to remember things. How Lord Saraswati will help us. So before this, these 5 points how you liked, you can comment on the section below. First, have proper sleep. Second, proper food and water. Third, exercise, yoga. Fourth, relax on the last day. Be confident. Why? Because fifth one is you are having enough preparation. No one will suffering from the exam phobia. Hare Krishna.